Well, I like the way this one works. This grill is very good. A lot of people like it, especially people who have bad legs and stuff and want something to sit on the table and they can grill right there. This is grilled chicken and some sauteed onions and fries. And look how they look. Yummy, delicious. They're so tender and everything. I love the way it cooks. I cook with it all the time. And I'm sure anybody who have arthritis or have bad legs due to accidents or whatever, this is perfect for you. You can sit out and just grill at a table like you do when you go to one of those Chinese restaurants, Japanese restaurants. So I hope everybody get this, and I hope everybody try it. You might like it. I love it. Wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world. Since I've been using it a lot. I grill everything on it. Steaks, broccoli, asparagus, name it, you got it. Any kind of meat I can use on it. Fish, whatever. Anything. Hamburger, you can do. You see this is fries and chicken here. See? Sizzle good. You turn high and low. I love the way the steamer in here. Okay, so that's it. Listen, if you guys is thinking about getting an indoor grill, I would 100% recommend this. First of all, this is huge, okay? This is big. And like, literally now I start doing wings on it. The other night I did burgers. It's one of the best investment I've made with kitchen supplies. I will highly recommend this. And it's so easy to clean. Like, it has the grease trap right here, so all you have to do is just pull it out. Like, literally everything just run down in here. It's super, super easy and convenient.
So Kathy, this new grill is awesome. Look how big it is. $31, and it has a cover. Not that I ever use the cover anyway, but it does have a cover. And I'm making my turkey sausages, but I actually kind of like the round one better than the square one. What do you think?
I said there's appetizers.